Hi, this is Rich with LiDAR-News, and we're at Denver ILMF 2012, and we're here at the Dielmo 3D booth with Jose Garcia, the CEO, and he's going to show us their latest launch of LiDAR-Online that was announced at ILMF a few months ago. So Jose, I'll let you take it away.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so LiDAR-Online is a new LiDAR social network where any user or any company can create a free account and use to promote their company for free. It's like Twitter for LiDAR. For example, you can filter and find companies by country or by keyword. For example, any company can have their profile with their contact details and use the social network to promote their products. And together with the social network, we have a shop for LiDAR data, where any user can find data online, for example, by map. We can search some data sets here in Europe, Central region, search. And now, for example, we will see this LiDAR mobile data together with airborne data in the city of Ghent. Here we have 1,500 points by square meter. We can see the point cloud using our WMS server to see the original point cloud. And now we have tools to manage the LiDAR data online. For example, if we want to see a 3D of this tree, we can draw a region. And now this data is inside a shop, so if the owner of the data wants to publish their data for payment, users will pay only for the data that they download in the moment that they download. So, for example, in this case, we will first we will log in. See?
You know what? I think I'm just going to play with it myself, if that's okay.
Yeah, which is nice thing about it. The thing is, a lot of people don't take it.
It's the way it always happens, right?
And you know what? If you ever want but it's really pretty simple.
It's here. Okay, so first we will log in with your user in LiDAR-Online. Now you will confirm the price. The price is estimated based on the number of points that you will download. There is a price for each 100,000 points and a minimum price. And now we are downloading the point cloud, and we will see in 3D in this open source software that we have developed. So this open source software can work from a web page or from any other software. Here you can change the point size, you can change the style of visualization. Okay. And now suppose that we want to measure the height of this building. We can use the profile tool. For example, we do a 2-meter profile for this building. Now we will open the data in another open source software. This is the Dielmo LiDAR profile client. We also confirm the login and the price, and we will download only the points inside this profile. Here we can edit the point cloud, we can remove points, or we can change the classification. We have measurement tools. For example, we can measure the height of the house, the width. We can measure the distance from one point to other point. We can measure the slope of the terrain. Okay. And now, for example, suppose that you are not an expert in LiDAR and you don't know how to manage LAS files, but LiDAR-Online allows to download the point cloud in the format that you prefer to work in the software that you prefer. For example, you can download a shape file, a XYZ, a KML, Collada, DXF. For example, now we will download a KML file, and now we can download a profile, a region, or a polygon. So let's download these three. Now we will log in. We will confirm the license of use of the data and the price. And now the server prepares a KML file only with the points. Inside this area, we are downloading the file, and it will be opened automatically in Google Earth. The same could be done with a DXF and manage the data in AutoCAD with a shapefile or whatever you prefer. So this opens the LiDAR data to any GIS user. Here we have the data that we have downloaded, and we can see this tree in Google Earth. On the other hand, we also have algorithms online that allow to download data online, apply an algorithm, and deliver a result. For example, we can use this tool to obtain the visibility. For example, with 20 centimeters width, I want to know if from this point I can see this other point. We have 1.18 in the emissions, 1.18 in the receptor. Now we log in, accept the license and the price, and here we will pay for the data and for the algorithm. It is, we can see that it is possible to see this point under the tree. Or for example, we could draw different lines. For example, we will obtain different visibility lines from this point to this line, and then we will be able to analyze the road security of this cross section, for example. It is downloading, and we can see that all these points are visible from this one. Let's try another point that cannot be seen, shown. For example, this. So in the near future, we will develop much more algorithms that work with LiDAR data online and do any applications so that people will be able to extract information from the point cloud directly in a website. And we also can click in the profile and see exactly the point cloud of this profile to see which is the point that don't allow to see the object. So in this case is the house. Well, and finally, we also have a solution to distribute any georeferenced file. For example, here we have photos from LiDAR Mobile, and we can locate the position of the photos. We can click here, and okay, I can be interested in this photo. I will see the previews of the photos, I can see the description of this file, I can see more information about the product, the provider, the price, and I can buy this photo. Okay, I will confirm my login, and we will download the file, and this could be for photos or for maps or any georeferenced file. This is some of the tools that we can offer in LiDAR Online.
Great. Well, thanks for the demo, Jose, and best of luck to you. And if our users want to check out the site, it can be visited at LiDAR-Online-online.com. Thanks again.
Thank you.